You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this island country in the Caribbean. We'll be looking at how to say more country names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Now in English, this is said as Grenada, Grenada. Even locally, the people call it Grenada, and English is the official language of the island, Grenada. Now, some say it as Grenada, and that would be more the Spanish pronunciation, and I guess it's not incorrect, but it's not really English. Grenada is how some say it, but generally speaking, you want to say it as Grenada. And now you know, more videos here for you on how to pronounce more interesting names that many mispronounce as well. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.